What is contextualisation? In any kind of writing, background information is essential to familiarise the reader with the topic. It provides general context to help the audience understand. The process of introducing background information is called contextualisation. A well-defined research problem is placed within a larger setting. In academic writing, background information, or context, identifies and describes the history and nature of a well-defined research problem with reference to existing research literature. The background information should indicate the origin of the problem being studied, its scope, the extent to which previous studies have successfully addressed the problem, highlighting in particular where gaps exist that your study attempts to investigate. In an article, the contextualisation of the research problem is always featured in the introductory section. In academic writing in particular, a simplified structure of the introduction resembles an inverted triangle from top to bottom. The writer starts from the most general background information and narrows down to address the particular aspect being focused on in the article. This figure will help you to visualise where contextualisation fits within the general structure of an introduction. What should your introduction include? Introductions present a proposal the writer makes to the reader. An introduction for a research paper should announce your paper's topic and purpose, and situate that purpose in relation to what has already been published on that topic. It should also offer your readers a preview of how you will satisfy that purpose. The first step of your introduction is to address a topic. One of the important functions of an introduction is to announce what you are writing about to your readers. The second point you should consider is to contextualise the topic. The contextualisation should consider the topic with regard to a particular context, such as the historical, economic, political, or social background. Then, the introduction should identify gaps in the existing literature regarding the particular context and topic. The end of an introduction will present the thesis statement. This is a promise that your paper is going to make a point, not just cover a topic. The thesis statement should excite and engage your readers' intellectual curiosity. An introduction should seek to engage readers so that they will become interested in your writing. In some situations, this means finding a way to persuade a reader who may be reading 60 papers to persuade him or her that your paper is worth paying special attention to. When should you write the introduction? You do not need to write your introduction first. Some writers prefer to write the introduction in the middle of the drafting process, once they see the larger direction of the paper. Others decide to write the introduction last, once they know the exact content of their work. Try different approaches to see which one is best for you, but always check your introduction before you turn in your final paper to be sure that it matches the paper that you've actually written.